Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channel here. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a tutorial how to view draft in Inshot on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Inshot, and after, if you wanna see your draft here, you can choose which draft that you wanna see. For example, you can choose for the video draft or the photo draft, or here the college draft. And as you can see for the video, there's this icon which is on my video edit. Search the draft. Yeah guys, you just have to tap on it like this, and yeah, this is my draft on the video edit. If you want to check it, you just have to tap on this one, and this is the draft that I mean. And after here, for the draft, you can also rename it or delete it. For the Inshot, like this one, you just have to tap on the three dots icon beside it like this, and yeah, this is an option: delete or copy the edited from the video, or rename for the video. So if you already, or if you have added a photo in this Inshot, it will be draft like this video. Yeah guys, so yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.